Good evening, all Bobby, Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, May the 27th. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It's a one box break, randomed up our 19 remaining numbers. 13's what we got. Random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, y'all. Gave you a chance to trade. No one's in a trading mood. Getting a little late in the room here. Alright, guys. See what we gonna get. Freaking things won't come out. There we go. Well, going to be the mom spot with VHS, one of the graded personals, guys, and shit. I'm sorry, bud. I don't know who won it, but bam! Going to be the Bills Dynasty framed jersey, guys. Another very nice hit for someone there. Green Bay gonna get the repeat again. That is the mom spot on the VHS personal. Right, who is a Green Bay? I thought I said that with J at the end of the random there, right? Yep, that's going to be GR. Mom, going to be J. Don't tell me he took the whole box, did he? Wow, Jason. I'm sorry, bud. I'm sorry, Jay, didn't treat you too good today, man. Jason's luck still holding up for him, though, man. Bam, I know you said you ain't got room for any other frames, Jason. Maybe, Sloan might be interested in trading for that or something. I know that was one of them he got. There will be another one next series, too, guys. Monsters of the Midway. It's a triple sign jersey. That's the, yep, but it's Monsters of the Midway, so that's what Mom is, so that's why we got a spot for it, bud. I'm trying to bring up Jason's Bills Dynasty there while I grab the VHS. Yeah, still a nice hit though, bud. A hit's a hit. Alright, and these we have no idea. We've opened the cup. We've only opened like 2 of these before, Jay, so I have no idea what to expect. We had one decent one and then one blah, so, but you got box 4 and 43. Alright, 4. They're graded. It ain't a matter of having a VHS. It's, you'd be surprised what some of these damn fucking videotapes go for, man. But again, we had a request. We had some requests for them, so. They're very odd, bud. It could be a complete dud or it could be a nice hit for you. Alright, we are going to see. I'll tell you, they feel like a friggin' cinder block, though. Again, he picked box 4. Yeah, so again, is one of the reasons why these kind of stuff is included, guys, was again just to test out the products, because guys requested them, so I figured this was the best way to see what kind of hits we got. Bam! Alright, bud. Not gonna be able to tell much because they got these things wrapped like a mother. That's the one thing I do remember. Nothing else in your box. On top of this, there's going to be a fucking bag. Alright, bud. I'm hoping you got one. I thought I saw it. Let me see. Yeah, looks like you got a hit, bud. Bam! I'm pretty sure that was on the hit list. Going to be Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade, bud. Going to be an 8.5. Box is 8.5. Seal is 8.5 on it. Again, Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. I don't know what it's worth, but let me... I could have sworn it was on the hit list, so let me check that out real quick. Trying to find a damn product in the hit list here. Sorry, bud. Give me a second. Shit. Hope they're not sold out of these fucker things. Yeah, shit, bud. Unfortunately, it looks like, yeah, they sold out, so they don't have that series up, bud. So I have no clue on that thing right now. I'm sorry, bud, but I'm pretty sure that was on... I'm pretty sure this was on the hit list, bud. So I gotta think it's probably worth a couple $100 if it was on the hit list. So I can look it up on eBay if you want in a second. But it looks like, yeah, they sold out of the series, so they closed the ad down. But I'm almost positive that was on the checklist for the hits. It's going to Jay. That is going to wrap it up, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at 2 Pops Breaks.